Good evening, everyone. Welcome back to my channel, Frederick here. And today I have my first faceless video, and it's a special one. It's an unboxing of the most interesting shoes I've bought to date, and it serves as proof that Margiela tabbies are, in fact, a gateway drug to more outstanding shoes. So here we go. Today I will be unboxing the Balenciaga toe booty. As you can see, it comes in the newer gray boxes that I do love. Just a better concept, and it just matches the vibe of where Balenciaga seems to be these days aesthetically and value proposition wise. I just love that cement gray box. Definitely a keeper. Very peculiarly, the internal use only sticker was still left on my box. Don't know why, but here we are. Inside we have with the black dust bag. For some reason just reminded me of high school, back when these bags were important to me and my friends. We would put our books in them actually, as opposed to using the dust bags for shoes, but I'm glad they put that in there. And voila, we have the soft calfskin Balenciaga toe boot with the suspended heel, 5 digits. Incredible, just incredible. People think the tabbies are absurd, then just annoy them even further by having all 5. Although this is nothing new, it's just interesting to see Balenciaga go this route. I like the symmetry, how futuristic the shoes look as well. You see that Vibram logo on the exterior and on the interior, and we have the Vibram logo beneath as well. Now this sole is made from TPU, which stands for thermoplastic polyurethane. Tough to say. And we have the Balenciaga embossed into that TPU as well. The Balenciaga logo is also on the heel of each shoe. We also have a carbon fiber detailing along the midsole, which I think is a nice touch. I don't know if it's real carbon fiber, so don't quote me. And man, that zipper, it literally just slides, which, paying an exuberant amount of money for these shoes, you would expect everything to be very nicely done, secure, but still delicate and supple. Now, I would say aligning each toe into the shoe isn't a very easy task just because it's a boot, and the plastic on the midsole, I don't believe that's going to break, so you better be sure you want to wear these shoes. It took some thinking about for me, I would say, but just look at it. You can stare at it all day. It literally looks like foot suspended in midair, and you can see how buttery soft that calfskin is, the way I bend it, and how malleable it just looks. I would say that the shoes are so shiny that sometimes it almost looks like a rubber shoe, which I do enjoy. It just makes it look even more futuristic. I just have to add that this is when a collaboration is done right, not just collaborating for the sake of hype or doing something that everyone's just gonna rush to. This is a great design house and a great creative director, Dimna, with his team, seeking out something practical that will last for their customer. And who else to reach out to as far as rubber soles go but Vibram? They make the best soles, so this is a collaboration that really does make sense, and it doesn't seem like it's just for the hype of things. And you can see they created something masterful, and being that it's Vibram, it's built to last. I want to add that although that heel looks very flimsy, whenever I did try them on, they were very secure. They had a nice bounce to them. They give you feedback whenever you're walking, so for some reason there's a spring to it. It adds a pep in your step, which is a very, very nice touch to the shoe. It makes you want to walk even faster. I haven't done any long distance walking in them, so I don't know if they're going to be comfortable to actually walk long distances, but they seem comfortable enough, especially with that rubber sole and the feedback you get on the heel. It almost seems like it's giving you additional support, which is rare for a shoe of this caliber from a brand like this. What a soft calfskin. I've actually never had or touched calfskin this soft. It's almost malleable. It almost seems like butter. It just bends. Obviously it's a skin, so it's meant to bend, but it's just so soft to the touch. I think it's worth getting in your hands and seeing for yourself. Thanks everyone for tuning into my channel and watching my first review of the Balenciaga toe boot. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and I'll be happy to answer. See you on the next one. Bye.